you know, they are speaking Persian, for example, Tajiks, and Uzbeks speaking a Turkic original language, and ethnically, they are very similar.
They're the same. They're genetically, culturally the same. The only thing that's different between Uzbeks and Tajiks is the language, and it only dates to the 1920s because they were forced into this separate identity, these constructed identities invented by the Soviets. But since we only have 10 minutes, I'm going to try to get to my point and wrap up my central theme.
So it's not enough to have a language or territory from its within.
I'm going to say
without you need maybe differentiation from other nations, but how they achieve this?
What I'm going to say, so my basic point, I mean, the Soviet example is an extreme one because these are invented identities. All the Soviet and post-Soviet identities were invented in the 1920s and then imposed on people by force. Okay, so it's not the natural state of things for these societies. So let me just backpedal. And I'll go back about 1,500 years to the pre-Islamic Central Asia and the period of the Silk Road, which is dominated by the Sogdians, who are the ancestors of the Uzbeks and Tajiks, who spoke an East Iranian language, not Persian, but a related East Iranian language. And they were the masters of the Silk Road, all the way from the Black Sea to China. They had colonies, but they